Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to move the side panel in Google Chrome to the left or right. So let's get straight into it. Open up the Google Chrome. Now go here to the three vertical dots at the top right corner and search for settings at the end of this small window. Then go here to the appearance in the left hand sidebar menu. Now locate side panel section. So right here, side panel section, right over here. Scroll down until you see it. Choose now show on right, show on left. Uh, the changes happens immediately. You don't need to restart Chrome. And yeah, this is how you can move side panels in Google Chrome from left to right or left to right, left to right. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in